Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, recently I have had the need to go to a pharmacy, and I ended up at a Parafarmacia. So there's a Farmacia and then there's a Parafarmacia. Now, what is the difference? Because I thought they were one and the same. So, make a long story short, I had a little eruzione cutanea, which is a little rash on the back of my neck, and it wasn't going away. And so I had gone to what I found out later was a Parafarmacia, and I got some stuff and I put it on. It didn't really work, and it was, it was just like, oh my, I need to get rid of this thing. So finally I went to the dermatologist, and he was fabulous. And let me tell you something, I only paid $80 for the appointment, and I paid cash, no insurance or nothing. Like, I think my copays are more than that in America. That said, he said, look, you have to go to the pharmacy. I'm going to give you this stuff because you need something stronger than, just cortisone or something like that. So I said, okay, great. So I went to the Parafarmacia thinking it was a pharmacia. She says, I can't sell you these things. You have to go to the pharmacia. And I'm like, oh. So what I came to find out after I did a little research is the Parafarmacia basically deals in sort of holistic and natural substances, things like that they can sell you things like, I know this Parafarmacia sells things like dog flea medicine and stuff like that. Over-the-counter stuff they can sell. And the person who runs the Parafarmacia, even though she's not technically a pharmacist, which they have a massive amount of training as pharmacists, but she does have to go through a pretty rigorous training and examination program, which is as it should be. Because even though something's natural or holistic or whatever, homeopathic, you do have to know, because there can be interactions, there can be poisons. You can take something that could poison you, or take it in a combination with something, or take it in a combination with a drug that could cause problems or interfere. So they have to be trained. So things like, I had to get a brace for my ankle. That's the Parafarmacia. The other pharmacy I go to when I really need the big guns, like with this particular eruzione, which is actually a lot better now. Thank you for asking. Anyway, there you go, guys. That's the difference between a Farmacia and a Parafarmacia. Enjoy. See you soon.